Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Listening Practice podcast. Today's topic is very easy and very useful. We will talk about the weather.
Weather is simple. Weather is everywhere. And weather is a great topic for English learners. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this friendly conversation.
Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Lily. You look cold today. Are you okay?
I'm freezing. This morning was so cold. I almost became an ice cube.
An ice cube? Should I put you in a glass of water?
Very funny, Mark.
The weather changed again. Yesterday was warm. Today feels like winter.
Yes, it feels like the weather is confused.
The weather needs therapy.
I agree.
So tell me, what weather do you like?
I love sunny days. I like blue sky, I like warm air, and I like the happy feeling.
Ah, yes, the perfect Instagram weather.
Exactly.
I like rainy days.
Really? Why?
Rain is relaxing. I like the sound. I like drinking tea and watching the rain.
So you like being lazy.
I prefer the term peaceful.
What about snow?
Snow is beautiful for 10 minutes. After that, it's cold, wet, and dangerous.
True, but snow makes everything look magical.
Yes, like a Christmas postcard.
Guess what, Mark?
What?
The weather forecast says heavy rain this afternoon.
Oh, great. And guess what? I did not bring an umbrella.
You never bring an umbrella.
Listen, I believe in positive thinking.
Positive thinking will not stop rain.
You never know.
So what do you do on rainy days?
Slip, fall, cry.
Mark!
Okay. I drink hot chocolate and watch the rain from my window.
That sounds nice. For me, rain means traffic, wet shoes, and bad hair.
Oh yes, the rainy hair disaster.
Stop laughing.
Do you talk about weather a lot?
Yes, it's easy. Everyone understands it. It's good small talk.
Weather is the universal topic.
What's the weather like in your hometown?
Hot, very hot. Summer feels like the sun is sitting on my head.
Wow, that sounds painful. Wow, that sounds painful. What about your hometown? Cold, very cold. Winter feels like living inside a freezer.
So your weather tries to freeze you, and mine tries to cook me.
Exactly.
Do you check weather every day?
Yes, it helps me plan my clothes. It helps me plan my day. It even helps my mood.
Weather controls your mood?
Yes. Sunny equals happy. Rainy equals sleepy. Windy, annoyed.
Windy days are terrible. Your hair goes crazy.
Your hair, too.
I don't have much hair.
Oh, sorry.
Weather changes so fast these days.
Yes. Last week, morning was hot and night was cold.
Same. I left wearing a t-shirt and came home wishing I had a jacket.
Do you like thunderstorms?
Of course. I'm a strong man. Thunder does not scare me.
Really? Then why did you scream last week?
I didn't scream. I made a powerful sound.
Very powerful. Very loud.
Fine. Thunder scares me.
It's okay. Many people feel scared. Even I do sometimes.
Thanks. I feel better.
Do you think weather affects energy?
Yes, on rainy days, my body becomes slow, very slow, like a sleepy turtle.
Same. Rain makes me want to sleep all day.
What about cloudy days?
Cloudy days feel quiet, a little sad, but peaceful.
Yes, cloudy days are perfect for thinking about life.
And for eating snacks.
Always snacks with you.
Snacks make everything better, even bad weather.
True.
True. Do you like windy weather?
No, wind is my enemy. It blows dust in my eyes.
It also blows your papers away.
Yes, last time the wind stole my homework.
Sure, Mark. The wind stole my homework.
Hey, I'm serious.
Okay, Storms make me nervous, but I like the sound of rain hitting the windows.
Yes, that sound feels peaceful, like nature singing.
Yes, that sound feels peaceful, like nature singing.
Do you like early morning weather?
Yes, early morning feels fresh, cool, quiet, like a new start.
Same. I love morning air. It feels clean.
Night weather is also nice. Cool wind, soft sky, stars.
Yes, night weather is romantic.
Are you flirting with the sky?
Maybe.
Lily, the weather today is strange.
How?
It's cold, but the sun is shining. My body is confused.
Same. My brain says it's warm, but my hands say no, it's cold.
Weather plays games with us.
Yes, sometimes I feel the weather is watching us.
Creepy, but maybe true. Do you like talking about future weather?
Yes, I always ask, what will the weather be tomorrow?
Me too. It helps plan everything.
Okay, let's guess tomorrow's weather.
Sure, you go first.
I think sunny with a little wind.
I think cloudy with a chance of rain.
Let's see who wins.
Mark, what is the weirdest weather you have ever seen?
Once, it rained while the sun was shining.
Oh, sun shower.
Yes, it felt like the sky was confused.
One time, I saw snow falling while the sky was bright blue.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
It was, but also very cold.
So overall, what is your favorite weather?
Sunny with a soft breeze. Not too hot, not too cold, just perfect.
Ah, yes, the perfect picnic weather.
Exactly.
My favorite is rainy mornings.
Why mornings?
Because the world feels quiet, like it's whispering.
Wow, that's poetic, Mark.
Thank you. I am a romantic man.
You're a sleepy man.
Okay. But yes, weather is interesting.
Weather is a part of life. It changes every day, and we talk about it every day.
And it's a great English topic.
Yes, you can practice. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's cold. It might rain. Simple and useful.
And it's a great English topic.
Lily, look outside. Oh, wow! It's getting windy.
Your hair is in danger.
Thanks for the warning.
Should we end our weather talk?
Not yet. I want to ask you one more thing.
Go ahead.
If you could choose one weather forever, what would it be?
I think warm and cloudy.
Cloudy?
Yes, clouds protect me from the angry sun.
Good answer. I choose sunny with soft wind.
Classic Lily.
Talking about weather is fun.
Yes, and we learned many words today.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, stormy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool.
Perfect practice.
Okay, Mark, let's wrap up.
Good idea.
Great job, everyone. Today, we learned how to talk about the weather in simple, clear English.
You listened to a natural conversation with real reactions and real emotions.
You learned useful phrases for everyday life.
Remember, English is a journey. You are improving every day. The more you listen, the more you practice, the more confident you will become.
You are doing great. Keep going.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more English listening practice.
See you in the next lesson.